Welcome to the Easy Computer Fixes channel, and this is, of course, the quick look at the latest version of the Google Chrome web browser. It's available for Linux, it's available for Mac OS X, and it's available for Windows. It adds a few experimental features. One other feature that's kind of cool also, but a lot of security updates in here. So on the security front, it's 37 security vulnerabilities that have been fixed. Several of them are critical. That means that bad guys are probably exploiting this. You want to move on to, of course, the latest version. How to do this? Simply go to the upper right corner and 3 dots, go into Help, and go into About Google Chrome. This should bring you to the page where it's going to update if it's not updated already, and you should be at version 78. Now, and one of the interesting features in here is the tabs. If you have several tabs open, hovering over the tab with your mouse pointer, you will now have a little card that tells you which website that is all about, which is nice because it is something that sometimes is useful, especially if you open tons of little tabs. You notice that the more tabs there are on the top, the smaller they are. Sometimes it's kind of difficult to know. Experimental features that are kind of cool. You might notice that the websites that I go to are all in dark. Well, that's one of the experimental features. So one of them is force dark mode for web content. That is possible to enable within flags. I'll post a link to the Chrome/flag/enable force dark in the description below the video. You can just click on it and it will be available for that at the top here. You just enable force dark mode for web content. Another experimental feature is password leak detection. This will tell you if if one of your passwords has been leaked somewhere, which means, of course, bad guys know the password. Maybe it's better to change it. It's off by default, but you can enable it, and this will actually help you learn a little more about what is leaked or not, so you'll stay safe if you have a password that's been leaked. If there's an alert, well, it's cool because you can just go and change that password everywhere and know that you're probably going to be safe again. So it's a great feature. It's off by default. I don't know why. It should be turned on because I think this is great. So these are the few of the little things that's in here, but if you don't really care about those features, what is probably interesting mostly is update just to stay safe because of these 37 security vulnerabilities. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thanks for watching our videos.